Hi guys, I'm Isaac and this is my first video and yeah, so I've just retired from a different channel. Well, shall I say retired, but yeah, I'm not old, so I've just come from another channel. Oh yeah, and shout out to this girl, Amy. Shout out to this girl called Amy. Go and subscribe to her. That's a YouTube. Just tell her I'm recording. So yeah, if you hear any background noise, it's because I've got my bedroom window open. And I don't really know what to do, because I've got no gifts for mail time. And that's what I was going to do originally. But yeah, wait, I'm going to show you one of my other accounts, which I think is locked out forever. And Amy, if you're watching this, then yeah, please tell me if it is locked out forever. So yeah, please tell me if it is locked out forever if you know. And let me show you what I mean now. No, my password. So yeah. See what I mean? It says you are locked, your profile's been locked for 1 day locked. I'm gonna take a little snip of that. And my original video was that I was going to do was the drip glitch, but then I deleted my phone word accidentally. I was literally crying. Just gonna put anybody want to make over. Makeover. Wait, I need to go. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Right, so I'm back and I just need to shut my door again. Right, shut. And the only reason it's got a lot smaller is because I'm asking Amy if she wants a makeover. Amy. Like. Oh. She's not replying, selfish cow. Amy, if you're watching this, I'm joking. I'm just gonna do an art book video because why not? Tip top for fam. Nah, dude. I'm happy Sorbet. What's she on about? What is she on about by Bertrand? Have them. Have them on Sandra. Have that on Sandra. Have that. Have that on Sandra. Yeah. Why? Why their trade? When she's looking for alley hair, I only have that. Sleek, I only have that. And flamingo hair, I only have that. Like I, D, G, F. Oh. Something on the microphone. Just sex, guys. Right, I'm back. Set to widen it out and make sure that Amy didn't reply. Like, well. Trade! Let's see what's up for trade. Sorry guys, I'm freaked out. She's got Miss G shoes. All I need is Miss G shoes and Miss G dress. Oh yeah, and text me if you want to buy trade. Free give away. Free IP me without the bottom. Wow, I could get that for free. I could get them for free. I could get that for free. I could get them for free. Oh, look! Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. The exact same. I thought my door was open then. Clearly not. Chest cap. Ooh. I know. Why'd you to let the music go? Yeah, I'm thinking like, yeah. Since the bar, I'm gonna get high, yeah. I don't want to, yeah. I think I know her in real life, Ebony Murray. So I'm going to search her, see if it is Ebony from school. Ebony Murray. Where is it, Ebony Murray? Yeah. What? Is that this month's Diamond Pack dress? I thought that was this month's Diamond Pack dress. Oh, very active. Ew, what the hell is that outfit? Goodness. Yabba dabba doo! Wow. Oh my god, she's been scammed yet, but she's got 2 Harry hairs. Wow. I only have an Harry hair. So I gave 2 away. Wow. She has bloody hairs. Like, what the hell? Guys, I just need to... Oh my god. I'm just texting Amy. Amy. I'm recording. No. Answer quickly. Hey, single. But guess what? Beach. I'm taken by the way, not with water. Like, I want to make a look because I can. Oh yeah, and if if you can get me a VIP code for Miss G dress, I'll be like super happy. Because I really like adore, yeah, really adore VIPs. I don't want anything for you. Ding dong, wind of the coin. Ding dong. Wow. Wow. I am just going to try and check my emails, so I'll be right back. The only reason I'm doing this right now is because I just want to say, Movistar Planet sends me so many emails. Like, actually, look how many there is from Movistar Planet there. And now I'll show you my next page. Well, there is no next page. Wow. Right. Back onto Movistar Planet. Wow. I'm going to show you me making a look of my boo. Sorry guys, but I had to delete this video. So first I chose these two. And now diamond pack shoes or me shoes. Yes. Oh my god, I had these once, but then I got hacked and got killed and everything. Oh my god, these look like Sarbay shoes, but the fake Sarbay shoes, so I don't really care. Oh my gosh. He is so, ew, she has boy shoes. Ew. Ew. So yeah, I'm just going to choose these. No, these. Move on. You gonna flirt with your friends, oh yeah. You gonna wish you were dead, oh yeah. Gonna make her wear this outfit. And she really needs kinky skin tone because that don't match her. Oh my god, yes, slay. Baby. Well, baby. Alyssa Unicorn cheated on my baby. Food. Are you serious? You're already fat. Ugh. Bum-faced. I like... She's so bum-faced. You. Like, message me what websites I should go to find you 6 farm shoes. Please, I really need help on this. Saying that my beat is up. Yeah? Yeah. Right, I have to speak to my dad. Oh my god! Gonna have to end it off here, guys. Bye!